Hello everyone, my name is Janelle and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be focused on another set of head wrap styles that I have for you. Thank you so much for those of you who saw my first video and gave me a lot of great comments and feedback. That's how I continue to learn and hopefully progress and get better. For me, this whole YouTube thing is brand new, so just be patient with me. Hopefully I'll get this a little bit under control. But for today's video, I'm really excited to show you a few more styles. Head wraps for me are more than just an accessory. It's a connection to my ancestry, my culture, and so it's something that I'm always trying to represent. So hope you enjoy this. Stay tuned for more. If you are a beginner, the first advice I would give you is always start with a smaller head wrap because it's just easier to manage. But for this first look, as you can tell, I'm just going to even out both sides before I do our first step, which is a nice knot. And then I'm actually going to start twisting on both sides. You can see I'm twisting the first one here, but I tuck on the opposite side. Now after those 3 easy steps, knot, twist, and tuck, this style is already done. But what's really interesting about this is that even though it's a really simple look, you can repeat it with a larger head wrap and it looks even cuter. On to look number 2. As you can see, I'm tucking the scarf diagonally just so that both sides are purposely not even. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick knot. Now it doesn't matter what side you decide to start on, but essentially I'm taking the shorter end of one of my tails and tucking it towards the back. And then I take the opposite longer piece and tuck it towards the front, but on the opposite side. I'm gonna repeat my steps, tucking in the back, the shorter end, and then tucking the front, the longer piece on the opposite side. Super simple and super cute. Looks like a flower. So for our third look, we have a larger piece of material. Let me know in the comment section if you think it would be helpful for me to add the measurements for each scarf. But similar to the previous looks, everything is going to be facing forward, nice and big. But this time we're going to be starting out primarily as a bow or bunny ears, if that's an easier reference point. Once I have both of my ears ready to go, as you can see, I'm still working on them here. I'm going to start to open up them nice and big and move the tails towards the back. Now I'm going to use the ends of each side to show me where I'm going to tuck. The rear towards the rear and the front towards the front. And you're going to repeat this on both sides. Once I have my ends tucked in, I'm going to go ahead and get my tails now after that and actually bring them towards the front. As you can see here, a little bit of my measurement was off, but that's okay. So you're going to go ahead and tuck towards the front of the wrap in the opposite direction. And there we go. The style is done. Last but not least, this is probably my favorite look out of all of today's styles and definitely is a big go-to for me. We are going to start out just like we did with the third look in the form of a bow or bunny ears, if that's easier to keep in mind. But this time I'm tucking both of my bunny ears into the back side of the head wrap on the same side. I'm also going to take both of my tails and also tuck them in the back of the head wrap, propping up the wrap nice and big so that tiara looks nice and huge for us. Don't you just feel the power? I love this head wrap. I feel like I can do anything with this look. My inspiration for all these looks is the motherland, so just leaving you with an African proverb. Until next time, like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.